Fusion Markets.
Sign in to TradingView using your registered email address. Once signed in, you can navigate to your supercharts, which is located under Products found at the top of the page. From there, you can click Trading Panel. Scroll down at the bottom, and you will see a list of the supported brokers. If you cannot find your broker, you can click See All Brokers. Fusion Markets can be found at the bottom part. From there, a pop-up message will ask you to enter your Fusion Markets username and password. Your broker will provide the username. If you wish to log out from your broker, just click this drop-down, then click Log Out, Fusion Markets.